In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the DXtrade mobile app. This is going to be a simple, beginner-friendly walkthrough, so make sure to follow along till the end. The DXtrade mobile app is designed to give you traders a complete and professional trading experience directly on their smartphone. Before getting started, you will need your login credentials, which are provided by your broker. So to download the app, head over to the official DXtrade website. Under the DXtrade section, you will see the mobile app page where you can download the app for both iOS and Android. This page also shows several of the platform features such as powerful charting tools, multiple order types, watch list, and more. So now scroll down on the website and look for the options that says Access DXtrade. Here you will have to choose your trading platform type, CFD, crypto, futures, or further. Since this video is fast-paced, I won't go into deep details about every option, but you can read the description on the website to understand which one fits your needs. Next, you will need to fill out a simple form: first name, last name, country code, phone number, email, company name, a short description of your country. Once you submit the form, access will be granted based on your details, and you will be able to download the mobile app. After installing the app, log in using the credentials provided by your broker. DXtrade Mobile may also support secure login features such as fingerprints, authentication, or a PIN code that allow you to sign in quickly in the future. Now, once you are inside the app, you will be welcomed by the updated home dashboard. Here you can view real-time updates on your open positions, track all your active orders, create custom watch list for your favorite instruments. The app also comes with interactive smartphone optimized charts offering multiple time frames and historical price views. When placing trades, you will find a full list of order types including market orders, limit orders, stop orders, stop loss, and take profit protections. This make it easy for you to manage your trades directly from your phone. And that's it. I hope this quick video helped you understand how to download, login, and start using DXtrade on your mobile phone. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.